Okay, so here is a picture of the door. Show you that. Okay, do that so I can get the whole picture in. As you can see, we have this little latch here. Now, this is actually upside down. The floor wire is at the top, so these latches you usually pull down instead of push up. Now, you can actually put this latch in either way. You can push it in to pull up or to pull down. I prefer pushing it in and then pulling it up. It tends to stay better when rabbits rattle the cage. As you can see, this is rusted, so I'm going to use the J clippers to take the J removers to take everything off. And then I have some better doors that aren't as rusted, and I'm going to replace them. And as you can see inside, you got these little plastic pieces around the lip of the cage. Those are so if the edges of the wire are sharp, like this one down here, it's got little points sticking up because it doesn't have it. We put these little plastic pieces, which you buy in big lengths, and then you cut. But I happen to have a whole bunch of it, so I'm going to make sure that these doors are totally wrapped after I place them. So the doorways will be wrapped in the new in plastic all the way around, like this door here. And then we'll have a new nice silver non-rusted door on with brand new clips. And then I have some newer ones of these, which I'll put in. You can still use these rusted, but since I'm going through all this trouble, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, a little added bonus to these cages, as you can see, there's really small wire on this divider. Now, that doesn't normally come with it. They're normally just this. But because you have rabbits laying up against each other, you don't want them pulling each other's fur or fighting between the wire, which sometimes they'll do. And this little divider I put with very small wires, you can see it's very small, allows you to put rabbits next to each other and they can't grab each other. It's just held on with zip ties that I've trimmed, as you can see here. And you can use solid dividers, and many breeders do. I prefer not using plastic or metal solid dividers. I like this because we get better airflow. That way, because these were originally in sections of 6. So there's 6 cages side by side. And this allows it for the air to flow through the barn, and when you have the fans and stuff on, to keep everybody nice and cool. And it minimizes hair pulling and keeps them from fighting with each other, but still allows them to have plenty of sight contact and also allows them plenty of airflow. Okay, so that's the next step on here. I'm going to be pulling this bottom wire because I got all the things off of it in just a minute, and I'll start putting it on. All right.